Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Salam Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down at the About Salam Air section, click on the Contact Us button. And as you can see, here it says that the contact center is open 24/7. So you can find different contact options for different regions. So just scroll and look for the most optimal for you, and you can find a phone number and an email address as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.